Welcome to the Certified Solutions Architect Associate course. In this course, we're going to be covering the various topics that are required by this exam with AWS. Now let me cover what I'm going to share with you in each of these domains. When we talk about secure applications and architectures, here we'll implement security best practices, understand the security layers in AWS, and apply the right encryption methods when we need them. Then we'll move on to design resilient architectures. We're going to look at highly available storage, multi-tier applications, and fault-tolerant design solutions within AWS. And then we look at design performant architectures. We'll implement fast storage, deploy efficient databases, use various caching solutions, and learn to grow as you go with scaling features of AWS. We'll then talk about design cost optimized architectures, an important domain. We'll learn to use appropriate storage types and monitor and manage costs. Before we jump into this course, I want to share some tips with you to help you be best prepared for the AWS exam. The first thing is, if you have no experience with AWS at all, I would really encourage you to go through our Essentials course before this course. Second of all, as you go through this course, make sure you're taking notes along the journey. Jot down acronyms and their meanings and definitions and things that strike you as important. As you go through the course, you'll see pro tips that look like this and exam tips that look like this. The pro tips are going to give you real-world tips about being an AWS architect. The exam tips are going to give you tips about things to watch out for on the exam. So you'll want to make sure you take notes about these. As you go through each episode, there will be a quick review. So you can go through those reviews to remember everything that was covered in the episode and make sure that you understand the concepts. If during that review you feel you don't have the full understanding you want or desire, go back and watch that episode again. And with that, we're ready to begin the course.